Hey everybody, sorry about the cutout on the last video. My memory card got full and didn't realize that for a minute. So we're going to pick up where we left off. We're finishing fletching and putting finishing touches on this arrow. So I'm going to make one more wrap, and again we're going to start on index fletching. Hold on. So when you're starting your wrap around, you'll end up to where right now, if I just brought it straight over, it would grip the very edge and it'll fall off. So you may have to make an extra wrap that goes around on the inside, which I have had to do, so it will grip the feather better and the string will not fall off. And we're just gonna go around twice on each fletch, and sometimes you have to start up here to get a better grip, but we will wind it around a couple times. Okay, so there we go. That one's good. Moving on to the last one. Okay, so I'm going to finish wrapping this, and then I'm going to see how we turn out here. And again, I'm going to make that loop right here and bring the string around and put it through the loop. And I did bring my pair of pliers down, so I'm going to pull that tight, as well as pull the back half of this tight too. And all that does is ensures that it doesn't come unraveled. And what you can also do to help secure these afterwards is you can put glue back here, but I usually don't. This fletching, and the thing about this is that you can move these fletchings around a little if you have to. But you don't want to do that too much because it will loosen it up. Okay. So now, this one's a little weird. Fill up a little. Okay. I'm not quite sure what I was doing there. Kind of got these index fletching a little mixed up with some of the other ones, but this is good now, so you can see the fletch. And oh gosh, it's got bent again. Crap. Well, looks like the fire bending, and you have to do some more. But so when you finish your fletch, you're going to need to take your scissors and, forgot to pull these tight. That always helps. And once you pull these tight, you don't want to mess with these again unless you're going to take your feathers off. Okay, so I gripped it with the pliers, and I'm just going to pull. Okay, so that ain't moving. Do that with the back half here, and also just tighten it down so it doesn't get unraveled. And the reason that I guess that this came unfire bent is actually, it's this part up here. It's split too. As I guess it wasn't hot enough, and the wood bent back over time. So there's a good example. You gotta make sure your wood gets nice and hot. And there you go. So now we have to trim down the feathers. So what I do is I'll start in the back and just trim straight down. When I first started off with this, I was having a hard time with it, and this just takes practice. The more practice you get, the better at it you'll be. So this one, cut that one a little short, but it'll be okay. Should be. And so, just don't get discouraged with your fletchings, because it will. If you're having trouble, it'll all be fixed with time. Just takes time and practice. And so now we've got a good fletch. Got to fix this end, but then we should be good. So I guess the next video we'll be testing out aerosynthesis results, and then we'll be done with our aerosynthesis series. So thank you for watching, and tune in again for the performance of the 2 arrows I finished. Thank you.